Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Today we did a model of the pull-out test of the reef steel bar from the concrete. This is the ultra high performance fiber reinforced concrete, and this is the depth of the steel bar inside the ultra high performance fiber reinforced concrete. And then if I click on animate, you can see the pull-out test. See, this is the pull-out test, and if I use this view, you can see it here. This is the pull-out test. Let me request first compressive damage. See the compressive damage. Compressive damage in the concrete, high performance concrete. The maximum value is reached. These are the cracks in the model. See, these are the cracks. If I check tension damage, see here, tension damage, then the plastic strain, stiffness degradation, see here, this is the concrete, fully damaged, the stress in the concrete. We can use a limit to have a better view. For instance, make this 7. See the stress, and also for the steel bar. For instance, make this 0 to have a better view of the stress. Now replace all, make this compressive damage, and see, this is the model. We did the pull-out test of the ultra high performance bar, the steel bar, with full details of the ultra high performance fiber reinforced concrete bar, and this is the force displacement diagram for this analysis, and this is the peak of the model. It is a little bit more than ultra high performance concrete because of the fiber. And let me delete it. So if you need to model the pull-out test of the 3D steel bar with reefs from the ultra high performance fiber reinforced concrete, you can come to our website here, abaqusfm.com here. Then find the English tutorial. The English tutorial, you can search it in the search section of the website, for instance, the pull-out word. Then you will find this. Click on the title, and then you will have the geometries, material step interaction, and then the result as figures you can see. So the file contains CA, INP, English video, and reference paper, and the cost is 26 euros. You can use a PayPal account, Visa or MasterCard. Just before payment, send me an email to this address. Also, we have here a full package containing more than 400 tutorials for all peoples, all users, beginner to advanced, and you can use it here, and you can find all the things that you need to learn in all fields. For instance, in explosion we have all method for all material. Impact, low or high, we have all the materials. Welding, all the method. Biomechanics, forming, crack, soil, anything, you can find anything here. The cost of this full package is 230 euros. You can find it anywhere. So if you want this affordable package with all details, contact me to this email to tell you uh, the information and the content of the package, payment method, anything. Thank you for your attention.